a $10 headphone stand, and it's by Bugatti. I'm probably murdering that name. I know it's probably god awful. Comment if I am. But I reviewed one of the keyboards before and figured why not the headphone stand too. Especially a lot of people want RGB headphone stands. They might actually want to try this one out. So let's go ahead and open it. It's a brand new unit. These is around $10 at Five Below. If you got one of those. If not, you probably could find them online. So I try not to destroy the box, but I'm not the best unboxer. We'll get it out, then we'll look the box over. Maybe we should do that before I try to open it. Okay. Oops. You guys just watch my unboxing for me just to destroy stuff, don't you? You don't even have to comment on that one. So, this is it. Let's go ahead and check the box out ahead of time before I take it out. On the side of it, it just pictures. It shows RGB, 4 USB ports, headphone stand. Headphone stand, USB 2.0 times 4. Been nice it was 3.0 USB, but it still gives you that option. And for $10, what do you expect? I mean, I'm basically gonna be using this to just hang my headphones on. So, package pretty good. We get the thank you card. Thank you, and from the partners of Five Below, facility headphone stand. So, do we get instructions? We do get instructions. Might come in handy. Oops, I dropped them. Headset stand for you 2.0. Headphones not included. Not included. Please handle the unit with care. Do not drop or press down on headset. Don't short circuit. Always unplug the unit after use. Don't try to disassemble it. Unplug it after use? What's the point? I guess you could charge your headphones with it. I mean, still. Don't you trust it to be plugged in 24 hours a day? Does this just snap, twists, and locks? So if you get one of these, fit it in, just twist it, it locks. This is a USB cable. It don't tell the length. So, yeah, it does. 47 inches. So, this is the headphone stand, and as you can see, we got 4 USB 2.0 ports, a USB charging cable, and is this adjustable? It looks adjustable, but I don't think it is. Oh no, that is not adjustable. It kind of got the look like it does, but it's not. Now, how does headphones fit on it? Don't mind the cables. The cables, you know, you would have them sitting somewhere else, but that's pretty nice for a $10 headphone stand. I mean, you can't complain. That's $10, guys. $10 for this. So what did I think about it? It's $10. What do you expect? You got some 2.0 USBs. You got a USB port here. It does feel $10. Sure, they make different headphone stands, but if you're on a budget and you just want somewhere to put your headphones so you ain't tossing them around, then this is for you. For $10, it gets your headphones out of the way, keeps you from tossing them around, keeps them from getting damaged. So yeah, I highly recommend this for $10. Read your instructions. Let me know in the comments if you have used one of these before. Thank you for watching, and as always, I'll see you next time. Don't forget, I upload a new video every single day at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time, if not a little bit before then. So check back after 8:30, and there should be something new on. Thank you for watching.